Along the banks of the Zambezi River, nose piercing and plugging and the removal of 6 upper front teeth was prevalent among the Tonga women. After relocation, the practice stopped around the 1970s. But what did these markings and piercings mean?
Jagarija ubota. Birenda ndayita ndosa rozibongo ndosa. Ndatunga njabutobega ayisalala ayituba ayisalala bonda swanizia gomena po ndenda kasabu gakona ndapeta sekoko nuna ndibona obo mulombe wabebera ne yani ndakuyanda mwana botalogo natime sibuyandi lezi force rusyangimi kwandibona inziyo ndiboneje bota akagaga ngukinzwe ta
po ichichegwa ni nyama ichicheje
nchisita ya mumpemo ndi donkwedwe daga donkolwa bumva banene bazira ndende bandi donkola
teze kali kuchisa nabayo nonga badonkole nyama
ibumva obia
bumva
bagari kuchisa mbubo banti njanda kubota bandi tunga ni wapona ndazwata inchijeje ndazwata mwazibona ndazwata so ndibona po ino ninda zote ndiyako kuziana ino ndakanika lino ndakanika mwabona ndakanika manje tuyako kuziana no tuyo tabalu bebeanda kutukwata sweta tuyandipe eto watira musowe peso tokale kugwererwa natumi mbubo bakubota wango nkunda bota zeze zinto
ani ndiboto sibiri
ziboto turali sumi na ndiswe
po anechi banene
mbana ndane ngulula jisamu ponda tungira bulungu njabukanika ibana ibate kwamba matwinzi
ani banene ndibene imeno
ndakabangwa abanene bazira ndende agale baba kwikola igale baba kwisia mumwini bale nyina mwenya te byazema bali kwete zyogo yawa bali kwisia uti agali kugwiswa gomena ali sigisi andi kuli bakampango aya akatarifo aya sigisi po wajigirwa kasima kapya igayumu bali ngumunsamu akona bali kusiriga syasinkampagezia isyaswameno wapona wabota
tekuchitoti mubote kota wemeno
wate kuyoluluma lufulu lwabanyokozyala wawatwa uyoluluma lufulu lyalukunywa manzi omwoyo lupulukuta chitokali kuchitobo tokaswa ukasamba beziswe tuli bapati.
The practice of removing teeth was so entrenched among the Tonga women such that those without removed teeth would be stigmatized.
We had our women knocking off their front teeth for various reasons, some of which are contested. One of which relates to the war of the people that started to invade, when the Ndebele started to invade the southern part of Africa as they migrated from Zululand. So if you knocked up the woman's teeth, then they don't become attractive anymore to the Ndebele, so they would be safe. That was a protection measure. Some may argue that. And yet some still hold that it was meant that when a woman is married, when a virgin marries and their teeth are knocked off, then they will not bite or they will not destroy the in-laws, clay pots. So all these are we don't really know for sure as an authority to say this was the cause, but that was the beauty of the Tonga culture, and we prided ourselves in that.
Another popular practice among the Watonga women was ear piercing.
Batonkola bumva beanda igozi batunga banga ibumva bagwizigwa niwazopona basomona po abikwa magututwa yamara
awa ndiri bwene kulembedwe izina lyenawa iswezanga twabika ntambo ndibwene nyo mubikide luvulungawo
kabi mchinjoja saso chisobano je subiri intambo mbulungu butukane gaswe
iyi kuti kubote